So today I got 3 of my many packages that I bought from some black owned businesses. Okay, I always supporting black owned businesses, always. I'm a big supporter. Okay, so this one is from 876RootsWear. I got my package, guys. I got my package. There it go, guys. And this one is from the great Auntie Donna. I'm gonna open this one. I got my 2 t-shirts because I'm a t-shirt person, so supporting the queens. I always in my t-shirt. This is from another Jamaican, burn out on them. So I saw these tops on Auntie Donna's site and I decided to buy them. So, yep. Just bought 2. And I bought them last week and I get them already. Chat about. Yep. There we go. There we go. A long ago. Okay, so this one said, what it said, I am unpacked, chosen by God. Let me see it. Nah, show good run. I am unpacked, chosen by God, blessed and highly flavored. I think this is the same thing. Yeah. So I buy a black and I buy a white. Yeah. Gonna rinse them out. And this is from Dimes. This is from Dimes Million Boutique. You know what I love about packaging? I always admire people packaging. Yeah, I always admire people packaging. So okay, so this I think is that dress. I like these kind of print. All right, that is it. This is a belt. Okay. Well, yeah, I love them print here. Okay, so everything I'm gonna put in some saffron water, rinse out and go into the dryer. I like to rinse my clothes before trying them on. Beautiful. Okay. This is an army dress when I saw dance on the other night. I can't wait to put my body in this dress. Oh my God. I can't wait to put my body in this dress. Perfect. This look like my size. Yes, that is it. I'm gonna put my body in this dress. Okay, it look like Dimes give me something coming. I remember this. Oh, it said free gift. I got a free gift. Thank you, Dimes. Dimes Million. Yes, this good for the winter, right? Thank you. Awesome. And you know my size. It's about time. It's about time for you know my size, you know, Dimes Million. Yeah. This is warm. Perfect for the winter. Okay, so all of those is going to... Okay, so let's open 876RootsWear. 876RootsWear. Love your packages, girl. See, I get them. They were delivered on the 16th. Okay, so let's open the package. All right. Okay. Get me some beach wear when me I go up on vacation. Yes. When me I go up on vacation. My next vacation I'll be wearing them. Let's see. There you go. I get Obi the beach shorts. That is it. Yeah, so they're going on vacation. We'll be matching out on our next vacation. You gonna get me a top. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at this. This is a gift. Look at that. I wasn't okay. Wow. This is my book. Oh, by Donna Edwards Autumn. Oh, thank you so much. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I wasn't okay. Oh, look at that. Look, it's right here too. I wasn't okay. So that is very thoughtful. Thank you so much, my love. I truly, truly appreciate that. Wow. Look at that. Unbelievable. That's very thoughtful. Thank you so much. You know, I need to do some business with you. I need to get my shirt prints. Okay. This was what? From my hubby. Yeah. So I bought these shorts from my hubby. 876, yeah. This is his. That is it. I like the material too. It's thick. I'm gonna make him muggle in it for me here. I'm gonna rinse them out and make him muddle. Yeah. What? Oh wow. Oh nice. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, thank you, Queen. This is so thoughtful. You know what? I am going to need to print a couple t-shirts with my book on it. And I'll be walking around with it. I am a proud, proud, proud Donna Edwards author. Oh, this is so nice. This is so thoughtful. Oh my God, thank you so much, Queen. Ah, 876RootsWear. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, I'm so excited. This is so thoughtful. Oh, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Unbelievable. Oh, you know what? It's only my family do things. It's only my family do things like this, Samina. Who do I know that go to their way to do things like this, Sami? Thank you so much. You make me feel like I want to cry. Like, look at this. Oh, God bless your soul. Okay, so this I purchased. Oh my God. I am shocked. I am. I mean, a stranger, I mean, them tell you all the time is the people them Who you think? Yeah. Put in the back, I wasn't okay. Oh my gosh. Like, I am so... This is out of my book. It said, after all, it will only be you sticking up for yourself till the end of time, no one else, by Donna Edwards Hawthorne. This is something that's in my book. She take out a few script out of my book and put it in this shirt. Guys, I really need to go and support 876RootsWear. Trust me, I am going to share this video, and trust me, I feel so like, oh, it goes to say good people still exist. People still do things for people. I don't even remember one woman purchase anymore. We don't have to go look back for my order. Or these are the stuff from my purchase, but you just put them in a different... I don't even remember one woman purchase. I just purchased some stuff. I'm lost. I really am. Now she motivate me to get my own t-shirt. Yeah. Like, I'm lost. I don't have words. I'm supposed to do a video and show her that I'm grateful, but it's like I'm just... Oh my God, look at this. After all, it will be only you sticking up for yourself till the end of time, no one else, by Donna Edwards Hawthorne. It's in the end of my book. So she read the book and she read it to the end. Is it at the end of the book? I think it is. I have to look. Oh my God, I can't. But it's close to the end of the book. So to show you that she read the book to the end. But it's close to the end. And she put, I wasn't okay. Look at the name of the book. This is so thoughtful. Like, I don't have words. Thank you so much. I don't even remember what I bought. Jesus. This is, guys, please, I have to, like, yeah. Hold on. I bought 2 shorts. You want to tell me that I bought 2 man shorts? I saw a female in it. I bought a set for myself, a set for my husband, and then I bought the beach wear. How me get mixed up now? Me not even remember what me buy, but I think I buy a shorts for myself, but this a back pocket on it, so me can't wear it. This would I'd have to give my husband this, bro. Oh my God. Yeah. I don't know. She definitely put extra work into this for me, because the shirts them that I bought, she changed up some stuff on it, and I so appreciate it, because, you know, she's telling me to wear my brand, wear my books on me wherever I go. Okay, so this is one of the t-shirts that I remember purchase. But you know what? I bought XL. I bought it too big. It's medium large. But I will have to wear this one. I did bought this for him. And the blue one for myself. Oh no. This is his. Okay, so this is what I bought for my husband. I start to remember now. Oh my God. I don't even know. Unbelievable. Jesus, please. Alright. This was for my husband. This is large. So this will fit him nice. Extra large, I I am the extra large. So this will fit him nicely. Yeah. Okay, let's hold this up. Guys, go and support 876RootsWear. I bought this stuff for my husband with these shorts. This was how I was matching it up because the shorts have the yellow on it, and I bought this for him. He's gonna love this because he's gonna love this. But I thought that these shorts would have fit me, and I bought extra large. It's gonna be too big for him. So I bought extra large for myself, but it have a back pocket. So what I did, I think I made a mistake and purchased 2-man shorts. Yeah, that's what I did because I wanted a suit outfit for myself and one for him, which I buy the black for myself. I bought extra large. So I will have to go back and bought a female short. I maybe give this to somebody. Maybe my I don't know. I'm gonna see if this can fit him too. But these are nice. I like them, and they're warm. You know. Okay. 876RootsWear. Thank you so much. Big up on a nice clean self for these nice, you know, outfits. Yeah, I don't remember. I remember purchasing the beach wear. And this outfit for my husband. I purchased this outfit for myself with this black t-shirt. Yeah, so these are the ones that I purchased, right? Yeah. What 876RootsWear is telling me, I should be wearing my own stuff. Yeah. That's what she's telling me. Wear your own stuff. She print this t-shirt. Oh my God. With the book on it. With Donna Edwards author at the bottom. And she did this again. Oh God. I wasn't okay by Donna Edwards author. This is so thoughtful. Thank you. Thank you so much. 876RootsWear, thank you so much. God bless you. I will have to reach out to you guys. This kind of just, it moves something inside of me. And it just moved to say that good people are still exist and people still look out for people. You know what I mean? People still look out for people. And it's like she's telling me to do something that I'd already have in my head. And I thought about it. Like, you know, get my own little stuff. But I just love to support our own people. I really do. 876RootsWear, thank you. God bless you guys. Bye. Wow.